Hello, my name is Alexey. In previous video tutorials, we create responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it to the hosting. In my blog, there are free video lessons about different objects for website X5. In this video tutorial, we'll look at a new version of program 2021.4. I will compare this version with previous one, 2021.3. As you can see, developers change the layout of first page, settings. Now all general information placed here, and there is no settings for database and email. They were moved here. If you want to use your own hosting, you need to switch Other web space provider and click Parameters. Here you can set FTP connection, database connection, and email settings. Now you don't need to configure the connection to the server, mail, and database. Now you can use website X5 hosting with SSD disk, HTTPS and HTTP2 support. If you bought license for this program with hosting, you just need to activate. There are two ways to activate. You need to go on this page and click to the activation button. I have already activated my hosting, so now I have button Connect Domain. This is the first step. Instead of Connect Domain, you will see the button Activate Hosting. You just click it and wait for about 5 or 10 minutes. This is the first way. Also, you can activate your hosting through this site. You can log in here with your login and password, go to this section, and here you will see your hostings. Instead of Access button, you will see Activate button. You click on it and wait also for about 5 or 10 minutes. This hosting is not only one you can use. You can still use your own hosting and configure the connection here. After upgrade from the previous version of program, you need to set email address here, or you won't have opportunity to upload your site to the your hosting. If you use hosting from Incomedia, there are no settings, just upload it. Let's see the control panel of the hosting. Here is the Pro version and Evo version. The difference that Evo version have no database and Pro version have a database. You can use test domain, it's generated automatically, or use your own domain. Just click here, enter the domain name that you already bought, and place these DNS records to your domain. If you don't know what is DNS records and how you can configure them, then you can call or write to your domain provider and ask him how you can do that. After you do that, just click here and click here. Pay attention. After setting up your DNS, it can take up for 3 days for them to take effect. So you just need to wait. Let's see other settings of this dashboard. As you can see, we look at domain, email. This section will be available after connecting your domain. Here in FTP, you can see FTP connection settings. Here in the program, you don't need to configure them, but you can use it to configure, for example, with FileZilla. This is external FTP client. Let's copy the settings of your hosting name, username, copy password, click here, copy password and paste it here. And now you can see your files and folders on the FTP server. So here is our site. Here are some access and error logs and stats. You can download it and look at your statistic, but you don't need to use it. I just show you how it works. Also, you can see these files and folders here. This is your site, and this is your logs and statistic. Let's see another section, this database in Pro Hosting. You can click Access. You can copy username, copy password, and log in to your database manager. Here are our tables, but it's just for any case. In regular, you don't need to use this. As you can see, there are no settings for database, just start publishing. The contact form object has also been updated. It's now possible to provide a confirmation message as well as confirmation page after sending data. Here we can switch this option. Let's go to our site and say send data. Here is our message. We can change it in the program. We can change it here. If you change here and upload site to the hosting, then you will see your changes here, but for all contact forms. Also, this icon moved from here to here. Now we have some text editor for agreement condition field. Here are some tools, and we have some new options for text field. In the next video we will talk about other useful objects and settings that will help you to work with this program.